With the holidays fast approaching, I find myself thinking about, well, more than just the food and gifts. I'm thinking about creating those perfect family moments.
Those core memories. The kind of experience everyone talks about for years.
Yeah,
It's hard to capture that magic, though, when everyone is on their own device.
exactly. But, okay, imagine this. After the big holiday meal, the family is all together. The lights dim and a screen that's over 160 inches, I mean truly wall to wall, comes to life. With a picture so crisp and vibrant, it feels like you can step right into it.
Wow.
It's only half the story, Sarah. We're talking about a completely hidden Dolby Atmos audio system. For anyone who hasn't experienced it, can you describe what that's like?
Oh, it's the difference between watching a movie and being in a movie.
Right.
The sound isn't just coming from the front, it's coming from all around you, even from above. When a jet flies by on screen,
Oh, yeah.
it feels it roar right over your head. It's pure immersion.
This is the level of perfection that ITG, Infinite Technology Global, delivers. They don't just sell equipment, they engineer an entire experience. From custom top green motorized leather seating that reclines at a touch.
To professional acoustical treatments. And that's a detail people often forget. ITG actually treats the room itself.
Right, the room.
So every sound is crystal clear with no echo. You are hearing the movie exactly as the director intended.
It's no surprise they're considered a world leader in this field. With over 35 years of experience, their craftsmanship is so meticulous that they only take on a limited number of theater installations each year. Each one is a masterpiece.
Which means if you're dreaming of having this ready for the holidays, the clock is ticking.
It really is.
The holiday rush is coming very, very soon, and those limited slots will be gone.
But ITG wants to reward those who plan ahead. Right now, they're offering a truly massive discount for clients who act now to schedule their installation and beat the rush. You get the pinnacle of home entertainment, installed by one of the best teams in the world, and you save significantly.
It's the ultimate gift to your family and a smart investment in your home.
Don't wait. Explore their incredible work and book your consultation by visiting them at www.itgng.com. That's itgng.com.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. As you picture your family together this holiday season, what memory do you want to create?
Introspective Technology Global. Call the experts.